Now I am about to prepare 1 kilo chicken masala. After adding sufficient amount of spices and marinating it for half an hour, I am about to garnish onions and then crush them to make a paste inside this mixer grinder. Ginger will also be added according to the taste. I don't have garlic, but it will replace that. It contains ginger and garlic paste, but I will add natural ginger also. So I have to cut down ginger into smaller pieces before making a paste inside the grinder. In the meantime, I will try to warm the oil on the gas burner. Most important part is that I will roast the marinated chicken inside that electric tandoor which you might see in the background. I think half an hour is sufficient time for marinating. If you have inserted knife or fork inside the chicken pieces, in 1 kilo tomatoes, I will add about 5 and 1 kilo chicken should contain at least 4 or 5 tomatoes. If you are making paste, then more amount of onions and tomatoes are needed. But if you are ready to garnish it into smaller pieces and want to make diluted gravy to consume it with more amount of rice, then you may add lesser amount of onions, but you can select or adjust the quantity according to the prices. If onions are cheaper, then you may add more onions. If tomatoes are cheaper, you may add more tomatoes. I have put on the mixer grinder at one level speed. Most of the time when this time I am hitting the electric computer also. But then we are saving time by heating the oil simultaneously. I don't think more diluted paste is required. All of ginger and tomatoes have been crushed properly. You can see not even a single piece is spared. You may add one onion from the stock which I purchased a short while ago. Not just to defend the purchase but to keep the taste intact because garnishes portion may be added simultaneously along with the paste because it will add some flavor and odor to the dish. When the onions are cut horizontally, then more methane gets escaped, making it less bitter. And if you cut literally into smaller pieces, then methane is not able to escape, making it more bitter. So it depends according to your taste. I hadn't added on salt in the marinated chicken. So the only remaining spice was salt because it can be heated as you want. Unlike turmeric, you should not be heated for excess amount of time because it may secrete many harmful. So three tiny spoons and 0.25 tiny spoon is enough. 3.25 tiny spoon should be enough, or 4.25 can also be used. It's a sufficient amount. Four is enough. You can add more tomatoes if 3.5 is enough. I have removed half. So you will see. In the meantime, I will wash the grinder jar. Then I will start roasting the chicken inside this electric oven. Then I will assume that my subscribers have been informed about the process completely because after heating the chicken for about 10 or 15 minutes, I will shake the content in this utensil and the process of preparation will be completed. All the spices were already added. Thanks a lot for watching. The only process I have to show you is placing the chicken in that oven one by one Marinated chicken is being added to the oven. I think 2 batches are needed, otherwise the chicken will touch the upper element. So I will show you one batch, the other batch will be assumed accordingly. Then I will complete this video recipe preparation. I was planning to visit the riverside, but then I thought that recipe video will be more appropriate for today. So if you want, I can show you the process, but I don't think more description is required. You can see the garnish.